like potassium and sodium react violently with cold water. In case of sodium and potassium, the reaction is violent and exothermic. This reaction is exothermic due to producing heat. Heat produced, the reaction is exothermic. Now, similarly, we will talk about the reaction with sodium. After potassium, किसका number आता है? Sodium का number आता है. So we will learn this reaction. Sodium metal. When the sodium metal, जो आपने diagram देखी थी, orange color की flame last में, ये purple color की flame है यहाँ पे, ये orange color. When the sodium metal you will add in water, we are talking about cold water. Hot water is not possible in this case. Only cold water. When sodium is added in cold water, it will again produce, you can check, Na, and इसमें से OH लेना है आपको, क्योंकि रिएक्शन ही ऐसी है जिसमें आपको हाइड्रोक्साइड मिलेगा, राइट? सोडियम एंड 1OH ये हमने लिया इसमें से. कंपल्सरी यू विल राइट हियर हाइड्रोजन because it will produce hydrogen and heat. Now let us go for the balancing. Okay, hydrogens first we will count, then oxygens, and then we will count sodiums. Number of hydrogens 2 and 3. Again the same process you will do. 2 किया हमने इसको, means 2 hydrogens हो गए and 2 hydrogens. Total number of hydrogens यहाँ पे हमें 4 मिले. Here also you will do 4 hydrogens like this. 2 2s are 4. Now the oxygens are 2 here. Here also oxygens are 2, balanced. Only the sodium molecules are 2 at right hand side. Here we can see only one sodium molecule. So you will do twice 2 sodium. Now the reaction has been balanced. This is about the reaction of metals with water. Reaction of metals with water, it will produce what? Alkali. ये base है ना, अगर ये base है तो litmus क्या होगा? Red litmus will turn blue. Listen students, in textbook you will not have all the concepts, but you should know OH है तो base है means red litmus will turn in blue color litmus. Exam में question कैसे भी आ सकता है, so you should understand all these things. So this is hydroxide. OH की वजह से इसको क्या बोलेंगे? हाइड्रोक्साइड. हाइड्रोक्साइड means ये अल्कली है. पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. I hope you have understood both the reactions. Please write this. That I'm going to discuss with you about calcium. ये potassium है. This is sodium. Now we will discuss about calcium. And calcium also. Calcium we will add in water. This water is again cold water लिया है हमने. Cold water लिया है. And I will show you reaction in this. CaOH twice. इसका formula आपको learn होना चाहिए. This is on you. Calcium hydroxide. It will produce calcium hydroxide plus what? Plus hydrogen as usual and heat. We are talking about calcium. Calcium will add with or react with water to form calcium hydroxide. In balancing केलं आपण इथे hydrogen, number of hydrogens are 2, number of hydrogens are 2, means total hydrogens किती झाले? 4 झाले. Here also 2 2s are 4, total hydrogens किती झाले? 4 झाले. Again oxygens are 2 here at left hand side. इथे बघू शकता तुम्ही 2 oxygens. Here also number of oxygens are 2. And what about calcium? Calcium is 1 and calcium is 1. So the reaction has been balanced. This is about the reaction with water of calcium metal. Reactivity में ये third metal है, जिसकी reactivity after sodium आएगी. So the heat produced is not sufficient for hydrogen to catch fire, and therefore it will not catch fire in water. This is the reason why calcium is not catch fire in the water. After that, I'm going to discuss with you the last two reactions, aluminium and iron. The reactivity आपको समझ में आ रही है ना? This is highly reactive, less reactive than this. Reactivity will be reduced. Okay. This can be react with cold water. This also can be react with cold water. This also can be react with cold water. But these two will not be dissolved in cold water. ये आपको समझ रहा है? Aluminium and iron आपको देख के भी पता है कि वो कैसे होते हैं. हाँ, तो वो water के साथ react ही नहीं होंगे. And they will react, and therefore they will react only with steam. They will react only with steam. Okay. Steam means what? Steam means the water only, but this is the evaporated water, right? ये H2O molecule ही लेने वाले हैं, but you should understand that H2O means what? H2O means here in these two cases we are using here steam. Am I very clear? This is highly flammable. This is also highly flammable. This is not flammable due to heat produced is not sufficient for hydrogen, and these also are not flammable because इनका reactivity ही कम है. So now last two reactions we will see of these two metals, aluminium and iron. So let us discuss about aluminium and iron. I will show you. This is aluminium. It will react with water, steam. It will produce aluminium oxide. ये change हो गया ना product. It will produce aluminium oxide, and aluminium oxide का formula आपको पता है Al2O3. ये ऑक्साइड हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था. कल मैंने आपको एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड्स बताए थे. इट कैन बी रिएक्ट विद एसिड आल्सो, इट कैन बी रिएक्ट विद बेस आल्सो. ये वो वाला ऑक्साइड है, ठीक है. तो ये यहाँ पे फॉर्म होगा प्लस हाइड्रोजन, प्लस हाइड्रोजन. These two products you will get here. Aluminum oxide you will get in solid form. This you will get in gaseous form. You know this is solid and this is gaseous. Steam is in gaseous form. Okay, these are the states of this. And just find out that aluminiums are 2. यहाँ पे aluminiums 2 है. ये aluminium को 2 करेंगे हम. Here oxygens are 3, but here only 1 oxygen. तो आपको ये oxygen को 3 करना होगा. We have done 3 oxygens, but simultaneously count the number of molecules of hydrogen. 3 plus 6, और यहाँ पे 2 है, तो इसको 6 करेंगे. 3 2s are 6. Now the reaction has been balanced. Please write this reaction. Okay, so this is aluminum metal. When it will react with steam, it will form aluminum oxide and hydrogen gas. This much reaction only you can see under this metal. If you will discuss about iron, when iron will react with steam, again the iron will form ferrous oxide, Fe3O4. Iron will form ferrous oxide. I will show you here only. Change कैसे होंगे देखो. ये iron है Fe. It will form iron oxide, ferrous oxide, Fe3O4. This is the formula of ferrous oxide. This is known as ferrous oxide, Fe3O4. Let us count the number of molecules. Fe कितने हैं? 3 है. यहाँ पे 3 करेंगे. Oxygens कितने हो गए? 4. Total number of oxygens are 4. यहाँ पे सिर्फ H2O है. This is only H2O. So we need to do number of oxygens 4. यहाँ पे आपने oxygens को 4 किया. Simultaneously it will affect on hydrogens. 4 2s are 8. Here also you will do 8. 8 hydrogens करने हैं आपको. 2 hydrogens है already H2. तो यहाँ पे आपको 4 करना होगा. So 4 2s are 8 hydrogens यहाँ पे बन गए. Okay, is it clear? So this reaction is with iron. This reaction is with iron. It means lead, copper, silver and gold do not react with water at all. ये आपको याद रखना है. Because of their less reactive nature, they will not react with water at all, and therefore we don't have the reactions of these metals. कौन कौन से? Lead, copper, silver and gold. These 4 metals. We don't have the reactions with them with the water. Okay. Thus the reactivity order of metals towards water is, वो मैंने आपको पहले ही दिखाई. reactivity क्या है, water के साथ reactivity क्या है. Did you understand this concept? This concept was very important. मैंने यहाँ पे आपको reactivity nature explain किया है. Tomorrow again we will just revise in short and we'll go for the further part. Okay, this part was very important with oxygen and with water.